Now in this video we're gonna learn about main points in integration. Okay, main points in integration. So there are a few things that we're gonna learn. First one will be the basics one. The second one will be fraction. The third one would be use substitution. The fourth one will be table method. Okay. Actually, the fraction one, we will divide it into two. One of it will be partial fraction, and another one will be differentiated fraction. All right. Let's start with the basic. So in the basic one, let's try to do a question here. So for example, question will be 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay, so before that, let me write a few tips here. Always add constant at the end of any integration. Okay, and then the third tips is whenever you see a constant in the equation, when you integrate it, add an x behind. Alright, that is the only tips that we're gonna learn. Okay, let's try through this question. Actually, in integration or differentiation, you can remove the constant out. So if you remove the constant out, you'll get like this: 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay, next, during integration, you have to add 1 power to the algebra, and then you divide with that power. For example, this one. For example, for example, x square. If you increase right raise 1 power, it will be x cubed. Divide this number with this. Same thing goes here. X will increase to 2 and then divided by 2. And then according to this, whenever you see a constant, add an x behind it, so you get this, and then always add a constant. So this is the answer. Alright, next we go to the fraction. Fraction that we're gonna learn is differentiated fraction. This is a bit easy. Whenever you see an equation where the fraction is a product of the numerator is the differentiated denominator. Okay, whenever you see this type of function, you can straight away write it ln fx. That will be the answer. Alright, let's try a question here. So where's that question I keep here? Alright, it's here. For example, the question is 2x over x squared plus 3. So if you differentiate this whole expression, you'll get 2x. So the answer would be ln x squared plus 3, as simple as that. Okay, what if the question they give, it's like this? Or how to solve this? Alright, if you differentiate x squared, you'll get 2x, but above you don't have 2x, you have x only. So try to make it 2x. Multiply top and bottom by 2 multiply up by 2. So you will get 2x over 2x square plus 3. It's exact same, okay? Next what you do is when you integrate, you remove this down part here. So it will be like this. 1 over 2 2x x square plus 3. Now you get back to this form. When you get back this form, you can easily solve answer, which is ln x square plus 3. This is how you do this type of question. Okay, we finished the fraction. And then now let's look at the fraction, which is partial fraction. Okay, if that fraction is not fx or fx, you have to follow this method. Okay, all right. Let me tell you the steps. So the first step that you need to do is to check if numerator is larger or equal to denominator. If the numerator is larger, if the numerator's power is greater than b, you have to do long division. If the numerator and denominator is equal, also you have to do long division. Okay, and then the third step what you have to do is the second step is to break that fraction into a few fraction. Okay, for example, let me write this example and you'll understand it better. This example is over here. Okay, for example, 3x minus 1 x plus 2x minus 3. Okay, and then another one is 3x minus 1 x plus 2 square x minus 3. Then and another one will be 3x minus 1 x square plus 2 inside x minus 3. How to break them? So to break them, you have to break according to the bracket. A x plus 2 plus b x minus 3. This one you have to break this twice, so you'll get a x plus 2 square plus b x plus 2 plus c x minus 3. And then this part you have to break it into 2, which looks like this, x square plus 2. Okay, now this is to the power of 2, so you have to put ax plus b. Power of 2 you have to decrease, put lesser power. Okay, and then plus c x minus 3. So you have to break it this way. This is how you do. After breaking into this part, try to find the value for a, b and c. For use the fx over fx method to get your answer. Okay, that's all.